Welcome to the Rindt Friday night 1 minute challenge. And off they go. The blue 964 and 911 twin electric, 964 wide body race car, 996 resto mod, 997 resto mod, a Factory 911 SC and a 930 fully restored turbo. Will they make it? They've got to get up to the end of the drive and all the way back inside within a minute. We go. So again, 964 fresh resto mod build, rather gorgeous. Here it goes, closely followed by a 911 twin electric fully rebuilt, 964 wide body race car, 996 resto mod, 997 resto mod, backdate 3 litre SD and a rather gorgeous 911 turbo. And let's see how we do. We're on 42 seconds. We're following this lovely car and they're back in the stable. Happy Friday night, everyone.